Hey everyone, welcome back to Kitchen and Home Review. Today, we're exploring 20 Amazon Kitchen Gadgets review smart kitchen tools for small homes. Once you see them, you'll definitely want them in your kitchen. So friends, let's start. Touchscreen Toaster. Upgrade your breakfast routine with the Wall Touchscreen Toaster. This sleek 2-slice stainless steel toaster features a smart digital touchscreen with an easy-to-read timer and sound alerts for perfect results every time. Its extra-wide slots fit bagels, thick bread, and more, while the bagel, cancel, and defrost functions give you total control. Modern, stylish, and built for precision, this silver wall toaster makes every morning smarter and more delicious. Wondrous Tea Magic Pot. Add a touch of magic to your tea time with the Mactano Enchanty Teapot. This 600 ml enchanted glass teapot comes with a built-in strainer for perfect brewing every time. Its witchcraft-inspired design creates a mystical vibe, making it ideal for cozy evenings or magical tea rituals. Traveling Slow Cooker. Introducing the Presto 06017 Nomad Traveling Slow Cooker, your portable solution for cooking and serving meals on the go. With a large 8-quart capacity, it's perfect for family gatherings, tailgates, potlucks, road trips, and parties. The locking lid and spill-proof design keep food secure during travel, while the built-in handle makes carrying easy and convenient. Inside, the non-stick pot cooks soups, stews, roasts, chili, pasta, and more low and slow for rich, flavorful meals. When you arrive, just open, serve, and enjoy. With a rugged cooler-style exterior and simple controls, the Nomad keeps food hot and transport hassle-free. Stove knob covers. Keep your little ones safe with these child-proof stove knob covers and oven lock. Designed with a double key system, they prevent curious hands from turning on gas or electric burners. The clear, heat-resistant material blends perfectly with any kitchen style, while the standard 2.1-inch into 2.4 size fits most stove knobs. Easy to install, durable, and secure. A must-have for child safety in every home. Stove gap covers. Keep your kitchen clean and stylish with these stainless steel stove gap covers. Designed to fill the space between your stove and countertop, they prevent crumbs, spills, and grease from falling in. Heat-resistant, easy to clean, and adjustable from 13.8 to 27.5 inches. These sleek black gap fillers give your kitchen a polished, modern look. A must-have for every kitchen. Spice jars. Keep your kitchen neat and stylish with this glass spice jar set. It includes 24 square 4 ounces jars with sleek stainless steel lids, perfect for organizing all your favorite herbs and spices. You'll also get 240 pre-printed and blank labels, shaker inserts, and a steel funnel for easy refilling. The clear glass design lets you see contents at a glance, while the black lids add a modern touch. Durable, elegant, and functional, this spice organizer set is the ultimate upgrade for any kitchen. Spice jars. Keep your kitchen neat and stylish with this glass spice jar set. It includes 24 square 4 ounces jars with sleek stainless steel lids, perfect for organizing all your favorite herbs and spices. You'll also get 240 pre-printed and blank labels, shaker inserts, and a steel funnel for easy refilling. The clear glass design lets you see contents at a glance, while the black lids add a modern touch. Durable, elegant, and functional, this spice organizer set is the ultimate upgrade for any kitchen. Rotating oven. The Presto 03434 Pizzazz Plus rotating oven brings fast, crispy, and evenly cooked pizza right to your countertop. Its rotating non-stick tray and dual top and bottom heating elements ensure perfect results every time. No preheating required. Ideal for 12-inch pizzas, snacks, and frozen favorites, it delivers delicious crispiness while using less energy than a traditional oven. With its easy-to-clean design and stylish green and gold finish, this compact pizza oven is a must-have for quick meals, parties, and family movie nights. Portable dishwasher. Meet the Uhumi Countertop Dishwasher, your compact cleaning solution for small kitchens, apartments, and RVs. With a 5L built-in water tank, there's no hookup needed, making it super convenient anywhere you go. It offers 6 smart programs including baby care, air dry, quick ECO, fruit, and normal modes to suit every need. The 167 degrees Fahrenheit high-temperature wash ensures deep cleaning and sanitization for spotless, hygienic dishes every time. Sleek, portable, and energy efficient. This mini dishwasher brings big power in a small design. Pizza cutter. Introducing the KitchenAid Classic Pizza Wheel, designed to slice through crusts with ease. Its sharp, stainless steel blade cuts smoothly through thick pizzas, flatbreads, pies, quesadillas, and more, no tearing or crushing. The built-in finger guard keeps your hand safely away from the blade, while the soft grip handle gives you control and comfort with every cut. From homemade pizza nights to store-bought slices, this 9-inch cutter is durable, easy to handle, and dishwasher safe for quick cleanup. A must-have kitchen tool for anyone who loves great slices without the struggle. Microwave plus steamer. Keep your microwave clean and your food perfectly heated with this 10-inch microwave splatter cover with built-in water steamer. This 2-pack set works as both a splatter guard and a mini steamer, helping you heat meals evenly while preventing messy spills. The vented lid and easy lift handle make it simple and safe to use, whether you're reheating leftovers or steaming veggies. Durable, reusable, and designed to fit most plates, it's the perfect kitchen essential for faster, cleaner, and healthier cooking. Lemon Squeezer. The YZC Lemon Squeezer 2-pack is your compact, BPA-free solution for fast and effortless citrus juicing. Designed with a durable plastic build and a convenient lid, it keeps your hands clean while extracting every drop from lemons and limes. Perfect for cocktails, refreshing drinks, cooking, or everyday kitchen use, this lightweight citrus press delivers fresh juice wherever you need it. Easy to use, easy to store, and ideal for home, parties, and on-the-go flavor boosts. Ice Maker. Meet the Yuhumi Countertop Ice Maker, your perfect companion for home, kitchen, camping, or RV trips. This sleek black portable ice maker produces 9 ice cubes in just 6 minutes and up to 26 lbs of ice in 24 hours. It features a convenient handle, basket, scoop, and auto-cleaning function for easy use and maintenance. Compact, efficient, and stylish. Enjoy fresh ice anytime, anywhere. Hot Air Corn Popper. Introducing the Cuisinart Easy Pop Hot Air Popcorn Maker, your new go-to for fast, healthy snacking. This compact machine uses powerful hot air instead of oil, giving you light, fluffy popcorn in just a few minutes. It produces up to 10 cups per batch, perfect for movie nights, gaming sessions, or after-school snacks. Just add kernels, flip the switch, and watch fresh popcorn flow straight into your bowl. Easy to use, easy to clean, and designed for healthier snacking, the Cuisinart Easy Pop makes homemade popcorn fun, quick, and delicious. Electric Deep Fryer. Meet the Presto 05420 FryDaddy Electric Deep Fryer, your compact, easy solution for crispy, delicious fried food at home. It uses just the right amount of oil to cook up to 4 servings, saving both time and cost compared to traditional fryers. The built-in thermostat keeps oil at the perfect frying temperature, so every batch comes out golden and evenly cooked. From French fries and chicken tenders to onion rings and donuts, FryDaddy makes the process simple with no temperature settings to adjust. Plus, the non-stick interior and snap-on lid make storage and cleanup a breeze. Easy, fast, and perfect for everyday snacking. Egg Slicer. Stainless steel wire. Egg slicer wires made sturdy stainless steel with sturdy, tensioned wires that can slice through eggs cleanly without bending or breaking. Ergonomic design. Egg cutter made of high-quality aluminum alloy for the base and handle are durable and rust-resistant. Ergonomic handles provide a comfortable grip. Non-slip bases keep the slicer stable during use. Ease of use. Egg slicer with a perfect egg slot. Just drop the egg, and with one click you get neat slices. Not just eggs, but also other soft foods like strawberries, mushrooms, banana, butter, and soft cheeses. Easy to clean. Hollow base design. Food residue is very easy to remove. Dishwasher safe or clean with light rubbing. Dish soap and a rinse of water, convenient and easy to clean. Service. If you have any problems, please feel free to contact us. We will reply in 24 hours. Eggshell peeler. Peel hard-boiled eggs in seconds with the Easy EGGS hard-boiled egg peeler. This handheld kitchen tool can peel up to 3 eggs at once. Just add water, shake, and watch the shells slide right off. No mess, no hassle, just perfectly peeled eggs every time. The must-have gadget seen on TV for every kitchen. Margarita machine. Meet the cordless cocktail making machine, the ultimate upgrade for your home bar. With no capsules needed and 170 customizable recipes built in, you can craft perfect margaritas and countless cocktails anytime, anywhere. Its smart voice and button control make mixing effortless, whether you're hosting family gatherings or enjoying outdoor events. Portable, powerful, and designed for fun, this Margarita cocktail maker machine brings bar-quality drinks straight to your fingertips. Banana chocolate filler. Meet the Banana Loca, the fun and clever kitchen gadget that cores and fills a banana while it's still in its peel. In just seconds, you can create delicious stuffed banana treats with chocolate, peanut butter, honey, or any filling you love. It's quick, clean, and perfect for snacks, lunch boxes, or creative desserts. Great for families, food lovers, and anyone who enjoys a healthy twist with a tasty surprise. With Banana Loca, snack time just got way more fun. Bacon hanger. Enjoy perfectly crispy bacon in minutes with the Bacon Rack microwave hanger cookware tray. Simply hang your bacon strips, pop it in the microwave, and watch the grease drip away for a healthier, crunchy breakfast. Easy to use, quick to clean, and perfect for busy mornings. Get delicious bacon without the mess every time. So, which gadget surprised you the most? Tell me in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to Kitchen and Home Review, and hit the bell icon, so you never miss our latest Amazon finds. So, friend, thanks to you for watching the full video.